Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday and happy very nice sunny warm day, hence why the floral shirt. Let's celebrate Mother Nature. Right, today guys, we are going to be playing with the envelope punch board and we're going to make some bows. I just came across this inspiration on Instagram. If you like me, love playing with the envelope punch board, keep watching guys and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. I know it's very busy, there's a lot going on. So what happened? I was scrolling down on Instagram, as you do, and Instagram algorithm is very random, so they pop up lots of crafty reels or pictures, and I saw this lady that was making some paper bows. And I thought like, oh, I've not done a tutorial for a long time. I've not done a video for a long time. So this technique that I'm showing today is basically you make a bow out of one strip. So normally what you would do when you make your paper bows, you do your bows first and then you do the tail. So you do like one strip with the bows and one strip with the tail. With this one, it's actually really quickly because with one strip, you make the tail and the bows together. Making sense, but I'll show you everything in a minute. So, and I thought like, oh, that's quite interesting, so let's try and make some more. So I have looked different things. I have tried different sizes as well. So something that from the smallest, which is this one here, the glue is a bit wet, but it will dry. So I make the tag. This is from a lovely paper from Woolly Steph that she gifted me for my birthday. You know, me and the crocodile are not BFFs, so look how awful that is. Anyway, it is what it is. So I made these paper boards, and I don't know about you guys, but I tend to get obsessed with colours in phases. So for the last month, I've been obsessed with this colour, which is like, I don't know what you see on camera, but it's basically a salmon pink. It's in between a pink and a yellow. So I bought loads of papers from this. They're Stampin' Up. Don't know what's the colour. I don't really know the names, but yeah, it's like a peachy salmony colour, if it makes sense. In fact, the VIP papers that I have used for that for April are basically this peach and blue. So this is a XXXL bow. So it's literally two bows, put it together, and the tail, I just simply cut the tail at the end because they were too thick, and I just glued it like that. Of course, this will put it on a present, top of the present, will look quite nice on a little gift box. So I think it's, you know, I mean, it's an extra. It's proper extra, but you know, we like things extra, don't we, sometimes? So this is the flowers from the kit. I've done a video about showcasing this paper if you wish to get them, and I will put the link down below. So yeah, it's quite big, it's huge, same size as my hand. Then I made, so I'm going to show you and put it on one side so I don't get confused. Same paper but smaller bow, and I make this tag, and I used one of the rows from the kit. And I got them, yeah, my large sequins. I'm obsessed with these, and I have also used my sequin flowers because I want something to be blingy. That's the correct word. So that's a huge tag, and yeah, I just put the rose and the bow. Then I made this one little one, super cute. That. Then I play with some black cardstock. I've done this as part of the, oh god, memory lane kit, I think. So it's one of my milk carton, and I made a gift, one of the bows to put on top, and I think it works really well. Again, it's a bit wet because the glue is dry. And focus on me. So that's quite cute, I think. And then just some ephemera. I had this on my stash. So I just simply with a pen created like a faux stitching, and I just put a really big bow in there and 3 gems in the middle. I think it works really well. Then what have I got here? Then I made a little card, says smile. I used some of the sentiment from the lovely Anne Lane that I got from a happy mail for my birthday. Thank you, Anne, if you're watching. So yeah, a little card to say smile. So you can use this bows as you wish. You don't have to be like a gift topper or present or whatever, so you can do anything that you want. And I thought we're going to make one today. I've used another sentiment, which is relax. I've made these butterflies. This is a stamp set from My Favorite Thing. I love these butterflies. So I put relax on top of these, and I have used some of the Stampin' Up paper doilies. So I think it blends really well together. So I'm going to do a little bow to put it maybe here or there. I don't know, haven't decided. I think we're going to end up covering the sequins, so we're probably going to have a little play. But yeah, so the challenge that I have here, because my desk is a very flimsy desk and the camera is attached to the desk, it literally clipped like this. Every time I will press my because you need the envelope punch board. Now, if you don't have this, it's a sort of craft tool. I mean, mine is dirty as anything. I have this for absolutely years. In fact, it's going a bit dodgy because I had it for a very long time. Now, you can of course make envelopes, you can make tags, you can make gift boxes. Done several videos using this. I think I suggest purchasing this because it's a piece of equipment that it's sort of like craft tool that you will use several times. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a voiceover, okay? Because otherwise you're gonna hear lots of metal noises on the background. I won't be enjoying it. Guys, so this is basically a strip of 1 inch by 10 inches. Okay, so what I did, I position it 2 and press, position it at 5 and press, and then turn it around, position it at 2 and press, so you get the first 3 knocks. Then what you do, the same strip, you will turn it over and you start again. So you do 2 and punch, 5 and punch, turn it, 2 and punch. Okay, so you end up with this. What you need to do, you need something that is got a sort of like circle shape. Now you can use your bond folder. The problem with this is because you see here it's not round, so I suggest get something that is proper like circle shape. And what you want to do, you want to bend the bow so it facilitates giving the shape, because what you want to tell the fibers of the paper that you want to achieve that. In the same time, you want to press there and doing this sort of movement. So again, this will stay flat and the bow will form. Do exactly the same on the other side. So bend the paper with your Sharpie or anything that is round, because let me show you, if you do with your bond folder, see, you get all the crease because you've got, this is not round. It's not too bad, but I just don't like to see the crease. So yeah, so keep doing that, and then do pinch the bow and do the same. Pinch the bow and do the same. Okay, move that away. And then what we need now, we need a piece of double-sided tape. You can use glue. I found the glue a bit fiddling because what you want to do once your tape is attached is easier, because if you use the glue, the paper will move, and you want something that you won't do that. So put a strip of double side tape and then get the backing off. Okay, so those two parts will go in the middle, and pinch. Do exactly the same on the other side and pinch, and that is your bow. Okay, so because you see the double side tape, what you need to do, you just need to with your nail. Now again, get your Sharpie back and press it, and when you press it with your fingers, just pinch it, so that will stay flat and your bow will get that really nice 3D shape, and that is it. So one strip and you get a little bow. Now you can put anything that you want. Because I think we're going to cover the sequin, so see if I can recycle the sequin. Oh yes, I can. Yeah, so let's get glue. There it is. Now one of these is dodgy. Yeah, so that's the dodgy one, which I need to clean. Let me put that on that side. So I'm just going to put a big blob. I like the word blob. There are some, of course, English is not my first language. This is my dodgy pair of scissors that I only use with like glue and double side tape. So English, yeah, so English is not my first language. There are some words that makes me smile. Blob is one of them. Blob. So you need to be a bit patient. You need to wait a couple of seconds. And then we're going to put some tiny bit of glue there. We put another blob. Yeah, just in there. And then we put them in here. So I want something like that. It's a bit centered. Perfect. Do you know what? I think these bows do look like butterflies. If you think that's the top wings and that's the bottom wings. Imagine like on a little gift box and you put this on top. How cute this look. Or you can hang it. It's like a little decoration you can put on the card. So yeah, I mean, it's a bit wet, but it will dry. Okay, I mean, this is not, I'm not invented anything. There's plenty of tutorial on YouTube on how to make paper bows, but I thought we'd do something a bit different and something a bit speedy, because the good things about this, guys, that you can just cut strips like I've done, and then you can just punch them, leave it somewhere when you don't need them, but when you need a bow, you just go there, put them double side tape, and fold it, and job is done. So sometimes we like a bit of speediness, don't we? Before we go, just want to say, first of all, thank you for all my happy Easter wishes. I read all the comments. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you had a fabulous Easter. And big shout out today goes to the lovely Susie from Susie Craft Room and Studio. She's got a really nice YouTube channel. Susie is now being active again on YouTube, and she's yeah, she's a lovely lady. She always takes the time to leave comments, and she actually messaged me, said she wanted to join my design team. So yeah, of course, Susie, stay in touch as soon as your YouTube is up and running again. More than happy. And then if you guys have YouTube channels or Instagrams and would like to join my design team, by all means, send me an email into the email that you see, AntonioMakes@hotmail.com, and we can just chat from there. Of course, it's paid, because I don't believe in free labor. I value everybody's time and effort. So yeah, stay in touch. Right, guys, I hope you like them. And I don't know if you make your own bows or if you're a bit lazy and buy them, but I really hate that tacky plastic bows. No, when we can make our own. So yeah, I just hope you guys give you some inspiration. Let me know down in a comment if you make your bows, and I hope I give you some idea. I mean, how extra is this? If I would be a bow, this would be me. Oh, I love it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like me and you are a bit extra, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel doing well here on YouTube. Also guys, there is other video I've done with the envelope punch board, because you can create boxes and not just envelopes. I will put the link here on the screen for you guys to just go and check it out if you wish to, just to give you some more ideas and inspiration. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and until Friday freebie, very special Friday freebie this week, stay safe and well. Bye.